Next, we will take a pink color sheet and take a tissue paper, make the designs on it like this. Now put it on the sheets as we are doing. So here we are making the candies and it's ready. Next, take a white tissue and color it as shown in the video. Cut them out in small pieces. Now draw the branches on a white sheet. Put the green clay and put the tissues inside it as shown in the video. Now make the grasses and your tree is ready. Next, take a white sheet and draw the circular lines like this. Put some water droplets so that it spreads. Make few more as such. After that, we will take the earbuds and put some dots around it and spread it. Now put some red dots on spread it. Now draw the lines to make the leaves. Make some tadpoles and it's ready. Next, take a tissue paper, color it as shown in the video. Put some clays on the white sheet and put the tissues on it like this. Draw the branches, leaves and your flowers are done. Now we will make the honeybees using the yellow clay and your painting is ready. I hope you liked it.